Hello everyone. How are you all?
Hello, ma'am.
Are you all fine?
Yes. Hello, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Have you
Yes.
all written the names in the chat box?
Yes. Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Very
No, ma'am.
good. Yes. So
No,
everyone
ma'am.
to be mute now. Everyone to be mute now. Yes. Good morning, bacha. Good morning, everyone. So today,
Good morning.
yes. Good morning. Good morning. Today is our story writing session, right? Today is our story writing session. So what I will be doing, listen to me very carefully. Adya Bacha, please be on mute. The boy in the name of Priyanka, please be on mute. Yes. And listen to me very much carefully. जो 5 years से 9 years तक के बच्चे हैं, जो 5 years से आई एम सॉरी जो 5 years से 8 years तक के बच्चे हैं, जो 5 years से 8 years तक के बच्चे हैं, उनको मैं एक इमेज दिखाऊंगी दूसरे मोबाइल पे डिस्प्ले करके। आपको वो इमेज देखना है और अपने वर्ड्स में स्टोरी बनाना है। उस इमेज को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप लोगों को अपने वर्ड्स में स्टोरी बनाना है। राइट? राइट? इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल? Okay, and those will be very simple words for you all kids. I know you are 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. तो मैंने बहुत ही simple रखा है. But the kids 8 and above, the kids who are 8 and above, not 8 and above means from grade 4. जो भी grade 4 से kids हैं, उनको मैं एक स्टोरी का आउटलाइन स्क्रीन पे प्रेजेंट करूंगी। उन लोगों के लिए मैं एक स्टोरी का आउटलाइन स्क्रीन पे प्रेजेंट करूंगी। तो जो छोटे बच्चे हैं ना, छोटे बच्चे मेरा स्क्रीन रुचिता मोहता को पिन करके रखेंगे। जो छोटे बच्चे हैं 5 से 8 साल तक के, द किड्स हु आर 5 years to 8 years, यस grade 3 वाले, वो आप 8 years अबाव हो क्या बच्चा? किसने मैसेज किया? आई एम इन grade 3? आदि सुधीर, आदि सुधीर, आदि सुधीर, आदि okay, you are 6 years old. Okay. I am saying for the kids who are 8+, जो 8 years होके चले गए हैं, उनको जो मैं आउटलाइन दूंगी स्टोरी का, यानी grade 4 स्टूडेंट से, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, ओके, grade 7 जो भी है, तो उनको मैं एक आउटलाइन दूंगी स्टोरी का। वो आउटलाइन में से उनको उनके खुद के मन की स्टोरी बनानी है और लिखनी है। राइट? राइट? और
Ma'am.
the kids who are till grade 3, the kids who are till grade 3, till your 8 years of age, you don't know the spellings, right? So आपको एक सिंपल इमेज दूंगी, वो इमेज में से आपको स्टोरी फॉर्म करके रखना है। 1 मिनट। ओके, समझा आप लोगों को? एनी डाउट एनीवन इज हैविंग, काइंडली रेज हैंड। मैं फटाफट पहले सबके डाउट क्लियर करूंगी। यस, वेदांशी मंत्री।
Ma'am, my vacations are going. I am only 8 years old, but on 1 June my classes will be started, so I am in grade 4. But I am 8 years old only.
विल कीप इट वेरी सिंपल, वी विल कीप इट वेरी सिंपल। जो भी मेरा
Yes.
आवाज आ रहा है?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
Yes.
ओके, यस। Someone
Please.
was written ना कि मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, काइंडली चेक विथ योर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, अदरवाइज आप लोगों को लिखने नहीं जमेगा. ओके वेदांशी, we will keep it very simple. Kindly be on mute, kindly be on mute. We will keep it very simple. जो ग्रेड 4 से बच्चे हैं ना, जो बच्चे ग्रेड, काइंडली प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. मृदु सिन्हा,
Yes, do you need to write something?
yes we have to write something बच्चा. आज हमारा स्टोरी राइटिंग सेशन. ओके
Okay, but I don't understand.
what you are not understanding?
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait
Or
wait wait
I'm
wait
standard.
wait Ashish Jain, please wait. Yes Mridu, what you are not understanding?
Excuse me, ma'am. Your voice is not coming. Ma'am, I am in third standard, but what to do in?
That's what I am explaining. Let me explain. आशीष जैन, आपको मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, या तो आप अपना वॉल्यूम अप करो, या तो रीजॉइन कर लो मीटिंग. ओके वी विल, प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट, प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. वी विल कीप इट वेरी सिंपल. जो बच्चे ग्रेड 4 में हैं, ग्रेड 5, ग्रेड 6, ग्रेड 7, जो बच्चे ग्रेड 4, ग्रेड 5, ग्रेड 6, ग्रेड 7 में हैं, वो बच्चे आउटलाइन स्टोरी में से एक स्टोरी बना के लिखेंगे. जो बच्चे ग्रेड 1, ग्रेड 2, ग्रेड 3 के बच्चे हैं, ग्रेड 3 तक के बच्चे, ये इमेज में दिखाऊंगी, वो इमेज में से स्टोरी बना के लिखेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? Is that clear?
I am 8 years old.
Vedanshi, you are in grade 4. You have to write from the outline of the story. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. We will keep it very simple. No age bar. जो भी ग्रेड 4 में है, जो ग्रेड 4 से अबव है, वो लोग मेरा स्टोरी का आउटलाइन देख के स्टोरी बना के लिखेंगे. जो ग्रेड 4 से बिलो, यानी जो ग्रेड 3 तक के बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे, वो मैं जो इमेज दिखाऊंगी, वो इमेज में से एक स्टोरी फॉर्म करेंगे. ओके ओके सिंपल. वेरी गुड.
Ma'am, what is this
What?
outline story we have to draw?
वही आपको ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, आपको लिखना है. मैं आपको एक आउटलाइन दूंगी. सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ आउटलाइन के a crow is very thirsty dash, he is going to dash. तो आपको once upon a time, ये वो, उसमें सब कुछ स्टोरी का ऐड करना है. आपको अपने वर्ड्स में वो स्टोरी बनाना है. राइट? समझा? यस, वेरी गुड.
मैम आप ग्रुप पे भेजोगे वो स्टोरी?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं अशिता मोहता के, लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. जो ग्रेड 4 से अबाव बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए आउटलाइन ऑफ द स्टोरी मैं अशिता मोहता के जो यूजर आईडी है, उससे आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करने वाली हूँ. और जो ग्रेड 3 एंड बिलो के बच्चे हैं, उनको मैं अभी एक इमेज दिखाऊंगी. इमेज के थ्रू आपको वो इमेज के थ्रू एक स्टोरी बनानी है. ओके वेरी गुड. वेट, काइंडली वेट. ओके आप लोग, सब लोग को मेरा आवाज आ रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
यस वेट वेट.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बड़े बच्चों के लिए आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग जो ग्रेड 4 एंड अबाव के बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए मैं प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ स्क्रीन।
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
डोंट पिन मी। जो बड़े बच्चे हैं वो लोग मुझे पिन मत करो, तो आपको दिखेगा। दिख रहा है क्या?
मुझे नहीं दिख रहा। Yes, आपकी स्क्रीन
दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है? यस। और जो एक मिनट एवरीबॉडी बी ऑन म्यूट। जो ग्रेड 3 के नीचे के बच्चे हैं वो लोगों को भी दिख रहा है इमेज?
नहीं मैम।
अभी दिख रहा है?
Ma'am, yes ma'am. No ma'am, it is so light. I cannot see. No ma'am, I cannot see. Good morning.
ओके वेट।
Good morning ma'am. Ma'am. The dog.
Yes, see, one dog is with 2 balls and there are 2 more dogs.
One dog, two dogs.
Ma'am, put the phone a bit behind, then we can see the whole picture. We can't see because we can see only one dog or something.
Just a second, just a second. Yes, just a second. Kindly wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. No, ma'am. The glare is coming. Ma'am, I want to ask that there are some stories, so ma'am, we need to fill them.
क्या बच्चा?
Ma'am, all trees are dogs.
See, there is one dog.
Ma'am, this
There
is in small kids. Short, short.
There is one dog with 2 balls and there are 2 other dogs.
Ma'am, who should write? Ma'am, this is in grade 1 kids.
देखो एक मिनट, everyone to be on mute. Everyone to be on mute. First everyone, Mridu be on mute. Mridu be on mute. जो भी ग्रेड 3 से ग्रेड 3, ग्रेड 2, ग्रेड 1, सीनियर केजी, जूनियर केजी के बच्चे हैं वो लोग ये डॉग वाला स्टोरी लिखेंगे। वो लोग ये डॉग वाला स्टोरी लिखेंगे। जो ग्रेड 4, ग्रेड 5, ग्रेड 6, ग्रेड 7 के बच्चे हैं वो लोग वो आउटलाइन वाला स्टोरी लिखेंगे।
Ma'am, what to do in this outline? There are blanks. We have to fill that blanks.
See, वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है an ant is very and thirsty. So you can just make your outline. Once upon a time, near the bank of the river, there was so and so, there was so and so. आपको खुद के लैंग्वेज में बनाना है स्टोरी।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, जैसे आपने लिखा है एन आंट इज अ वेरी एंड थर्स्टी, तो मैम मैं उसे थोड़ा सा अपनी वोकैबुलरी में भी कर सकती हूँ क्या?
Yes,
मतलब
you have to do that only, बच्चा। खुद के
word को
vocabulary में
change
ही
करके?
लिखना है। You have to do that only. Exactly, you have to do that कि आपको खुद के लैंग्वेज में ये स्टोरी लिखना है।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The dog story kids have to write from themselves only.
हाँ, they have to write from themselves whatever they understand. डॉग, एक डॉग है ऊपर जिसके पास 2 balls है और नीचे 2 dogs है। So they can write about 1 dog and 2 friend dogs.
Have you shared the screen of dog?
देखो मेरा रुचिता मोहता वाले को आप पिन करके रखो तो आपको इमेज दिखेगा डॉग्स का। और जो लोग भी बड़े बच्चे हैं वो लोग रुचिता मोहता को पिन नहीं करो। मैंने अशिता मोहता के स्क्रीन से शेयर स्क्रीन किया हुआ है तो उनको आउटलाइन दिखेगा।
Ma'am,
यस,
ये किड्स के लिए है कि बड़े बच्चों के लिए है? Ma'am,
कौन सा वाला?
ये जो अभी आपने डॉग का वो किया है, स्क्रीन शेयर किया है।
आपका ग्रेड कौन सा है? आप कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ते हो?
First.
हाँ, तो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड वाले के लिए डॉग का है। फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड और जूनियर केजी, सीनियर केजी वालों के लिए डॉग का स्टोरी है।
Ma'am, we have to write a story on an ant.
Is there in pink dog? And
Ma'am, पिक्चर में सारे डॉग्स हैं।
हाँ, पिक्चर में 3 डॉग्स हैं, 2 डॉग्स हैं जो येलो कलर में है, 1 डॉग है जो पिंक है, उसके पास 2 बॉल्स है।
Ma'am, we have to write a story on ant.
यस, यू हैव टू राइट द, ये आउटलाइन है स्टोरी का, आपको ये आउटलाइन पढ़ के खुद के मन का स्टोरी
Yes.
बना के लिखना है।
Okay.
मृदु, एनी डाउट बच्चा? मृदु, एनी डाउट बच्चा?
no.
ओके, यू हैव टू राइट ये डॉग वाला स्टोरी। हाँ,
मैम, ये डैश में क्या करना है?
क्या करना है? एंड आई गिव यू, अभी है ना, इट इज 9:45। आई गिव यू ऑल 15 minutes to write it. I give you all 15 minutes to write it.
मैम हमारे इधर सिर्फ आउटलाइन वाला ही खुल रहा है, आशिता मोहता वाला, दूसरा स्क्रीन आ ही नहीं रहा है डॉग वाला।
आप कौन से, आपका बच्चे का एज क्या है?
ग्रेड 2।
ग्रेड 2 ना, आप रुचिता मोहता का स्क्रीन पिन करके रखो ना, रुचिता मोहता का।
Excuse me, ma'am.
दिखा?
नहीं,
रुचिता मोहता का स्क्रीन पिन करके रखोगे तो आपको वो डॉग का ही दिखेगा मैम।
Excuse me, ma'am. There are some blanks in between, ma'am. What do we need to do with them?
बच्चा, that is the outline. See, you can make your own story. Once upon a time, near the bank of the river, there was an ant. ये वो आपको खुद का कहानी बना के लिखना है। वो ब्लैंक्स इसके लिए है, वो स्टोरी कंटिन्यूएशन में जाएगा। ओके, फॉर द स्टोरी कंटिन्यूएशन देयर आर द ब्लैंक्स, बट दिस इज जस्ट अ आउटलाइन। ये स्टोरी तो नहीं है ना, हम ऐसे कभी इतने सिंपल स्टोरी तो नहीं पढ़ते ना। वी स्टार्ट लॉन्ग टाइम अगो, वंस अपॉन अ टाइम, राइट? सो यू हैव टू मेक द स्टोरी इन योर ओन वर्ड्स लाइक दैट।
Okay, ma'am. Never after the ending.
काइंडली बी ऑन म्यूट।
मैम, इन वर्ड से सेंटेंसेस मतलब
हाँ
story बनाना
हाँ,
है?
यही आउटलाइन से आपको बनाना है।
Okay.
यस, छोटे बच्चे प्लीज रुचिता मोहता का स्क्रीन पिन करके रखोगे बच्चा लोग तो ही दिखेगा। ओके,
Ma'am, this is Adi. How do I write the story? Ma'am, do you know I write stories? I have a book in which I write stories.
व्हाट हैपेंड?
Ma'am, I write stories. I have a book which I write stories. Can I share my stories in the last?
हाँ,
At the end
आपको
of
बाद में पहले हम ये लिखते हैं। ओके, आई हैव गिवन यू ऑल 15 minutes टू राइट अ स्टोरी। छोटे बच्चे लोग ये इमेज से स्टोरी फॉर्म करेंगे, बड़े बच्चे लोग वो आउटलाइन से सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे। ओके,
Ma'am, I'm done.
ओके, जिनका हो गया है काइंडली बी ऑन म्यूट, रेज हैंड करके रखो जिसका हो गया है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I will start. I will start asking exactly at 11 o'clock.
Ma'am.
Miss, your photo is something white right on.
Okay, sorry.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of quench? Ma'am, what is the meaning of quench?
Yes, wait. I am saying you. 1 minute, huh? My phone was falling down. Just a second.
What is the meaning of dove and quench?
Huh? Dove is a bird, bacha.
No, ma, I'm dove.
What?
It is a dove, not Dove. In
हाँ, तो
outline, it's
dove is a bird. Dove is a bird.
okay, ma'am.
Dove एक bird का नाम है. Just a second.
What is the meaning of quench?
Quench means to satisfy one's thirst. किसी को प्यास लगी है ना, तो उसको पानी देके उसका प्यास बुझाना. That is the meaning of quench. It can be water, it can be soup, whatever liquid. To satisfy one's thirst. बच्चा, आई टोल्ड आप लोगों का किसी का भी हो गया है, हैंड रेस करके चुपचाप बैठो. मैं 11 बजे से पूछूंगी.
मैम आपने ये PLUCK ये इसका ये क्या होता है मैम?
किसका मीनिंग? किसका मीनिंग?
ट्री के बाद मैम ट्री के बाद आपने क्या लिखा है डैश करके?
देखो, पहला है an ant is very and thirsty, walks along the bank of a river, stops to quench its thirst. Strong rush of water carries away, drowning the ant. Dove on a tree plucks a leaf, lets it fall. Ant climbs on the leaf, floats safely to the bank. Thanks the dove. Catcher.
Mom, what is strong
A
rush
bird
water?
catcher under the tree lays lime twigs, makes a trap to catch the dove, and stings his foot. Bird catcher cries in pain, throws the twigs, noise draws dove's attention, dove flies away.
Mom, what is strong rush of water?
Strong
Strong
rush of
rush
water.
of water.
पानी बहुत तेजी से बह रहा था.
Oh,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of drawing?
Drawing.
मैम यस मैम थर्ड लाइन में है मैम कैरीज अवे के बाद
ड्राउनिंग वो एंट डूब रहा था. टू ड्राउन मतलब आप डूबे जा रहे हो, आप स्विम नहीं कर पा रहे हो. यू आर ड्राउनिंग मीन्स यू कांट स्विम.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैंने अभी ये पूरा प्रॉम्प्ट पढ़ा तो मैम मुझे ये स्टोरी पता है, तो मैम अगर मैं अपने वर्ड्स में वही स्टोरी बिना से देख के कर लूँ तो एक्सेप्ट होगा क्या?
आपको वर्ड्स तो ये वाले लेने पड़ेंगे. यू कैन मेक योर ओन वर्ड्स. यू कैन मेक इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, बट इसमें से आउटलाइंस लेनी है आपको.
ओके मैम.
ma'am, I have done.
ओके, 2 minutes मोर किड्स. 2 मिनट और.
Ma'am, I've done.
Ma'am, the photo is not clear.
कौन सा फोटो?
वो dog वाला. Yes, done.
Okay, once you are done, kindly raise hand and be on mute. If you are done, if you are done with your work, kindly raise hand and be on mute, bacha, so that others can concentrate to write.
मैम हमारी ड्राइंग होने के बाद हम 3 डॉग्स बना सकते हैं.
आपको ड्राइंग नहीं करना है, आपको तो स्टोरी लिखना था.
मैम मेरी स्टोरी हो गई. स्टोरी के बाद
Ah, if you want to draw, you can draw. If you want to draw, you can draw. It is not a compulsion.
हाँ मैम.
Yes, everyone done?
Ma'am, I just need 5 minutes more.
Not 5 minutes. I'm going to give you only 1 minute more. No 5 minutes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm done.
मैम मेरा मैम थोड़ा सा रह गया था, मैम दिखा दीजिए।
Ma'am, done.
मैम दिखा दीजिए, मैम थोड़ा सा रह गया था।
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
I
can
was
you
also
share our link just for 2 minutes?
Wait. Be on mute. Be on mute. Okay, by the time I will start with the small kids, हाँ? आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ 1 मिनट ही और साक्षी गुप्ता
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
yes
Can I start?
yes you can start. Everybody else to be on mute, हाँ?
One day there
साक्षी
was
गुप्ता आपका नाम क्या है बच्चा?
Ayansh.
Ayansh, kindly switch on your camera. Ayansh, kindly switch on your camera. Very good.
Ma'am, I can add some my words also, some my sentence.
Yes, you can.
One
Chalo now.
One day there was a dog. He loved to play with his balls. He went to his friends and they played happily, and it was night time and everyone went to bed. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Suchita Bhede. You should unmute yourself, Suchita Bhede. Unmute karo. No, you are on mute.
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Are you saying Suchita Bhede?
Ma'am, I can say.
अरे वेट ना, देखो आप लोग ऐसे मत करो वरना मैं हमारा कोई भी सेशन स्मूथली नहीं चल पाएगा। ओके, आप लोगों ने जो ऑर्डर में हैंड रेज किया है ना, मैं वो ऑर्डर में पूछ रही हूँ। ये सुचिता भेदे, प्लीज से।
Ma'am, can you hear me now? Greedy dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog. It had a chapati and he was crossing a bridge. And he saw he was sleeping in a river. He saw his shadow, but he think that one more dog is in the river. He was very hungry. He jumped in the river with chapati and he lost his chapati and again he was hungry. Moral of the story is never to be greedy. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप, कीप इट अप। राजवीर मलानी।
Yes, ma'am. Pepsi, Cola, and Disco. Once there were two twin puppies. They went to a house and they accepted them and kept in their house. They named them as Pepsi and Cola. There was one more puppy. Her name was Disco. After some days, they became friends. Their owner got two balls for them, but Disco did not got sad because they shared the balls with her. Next day, the owner gets a ball for her too, and every day they played with the balls forever together. Thank you. The
वेरी
moral,
गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी
the
वेरी
moral
गुड।
of the story is if we be good, good comes to us.
यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। प्रियंका अग्रवाल।
The story's name is Friends. Once upon a time, there lived three dogs. One dog found a ball. He started playing with the ball, and two dogs came and said, "We will play also." Then the first dog said, "Okay, you can play with me." Then all the dogs played happily. The moral of the story is be good friends. Thank you.
Very good, very good. All of you are my good kids. Very good. Mrunal Goswami.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I start? Yes. One day there was an ant and it was very thirsty. So he walked along the bank of the river. So he stopped to quench his thirst. But there was
Wait,
a
wait,
strong
wait,
rush.
Mrunal. Wait, 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 wait. Kindly switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see me?
Yes, you can start again.
Yes. One day there was an ant and it was very thirsty. So he walked along the bank of the river. He stopped to quench its thirst, but there was a strong rush of water. The ant tries to drink water, but the water carries ant away. The ant was drowning. Then a dove on a tree saw the ant drowning. The Then he plucks a leaf and let it fall to the ant. The ant climbs on the leaf and he floats out of the bank safely. Then he thanks Dove to save his life. Then there were bird catcher in the jungle. They saw the dove. So they lay lime twigs made made a trap to catch the dove. The ant sting the bird catcher's foot, and the bird catcher cries in very pain. The dove throws the twigs and hears that noise. Then the dove flies away, and the moral of the story is if you help someone, they will help you. Thank you.
Very good, Mrunal, very good. Mrudu Sinha,
Yes, ma'am. The story's name is Clever Dog, Clever Baby Dog. There was a dog whose name was Pinky. She was beautiful and clever. One day she was playing with friends and while while playing they went to forest. They were playing with balls. Suddenly, she got lost in forest. She saw two wild dogs standing in front of her. Both dogs started barking and coming towards her. She got scared and made a plan. She was having two balls with her. She threw one ball at one side and at other side. Both dog went behind ball and Pinky ran away from there and happily went back to home with her friends. Thank you.
very good, Mridu, very good. Yes, Ashita Mohta,
Bruno was a little puppy. He had two big balls. He loved to play with it. One day, Bruno went to a park with his ball to play. His friends wanted to play with him. They said, "Can we play with you?" Bruno said, "No, this is my ball. I won't give it to you." Nobody talked with Bruno. Bruno was very sad. He said, "Come, my friends, let's play together." So they played together. Moral of the story is don't be selfish, learn to share.
very good, very nice. Arv Yadav, Arv Yadav,
Yes, the name of the story is the dog and the fox.
Arv, I am not able to hear you.
Teacher, can you hear now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, see.
One day, a dog was sitting on a friend fox, and the fox said, "Let's have a birthday party." And A birthday party. I love birthday parties. They called other dogs. No.
The end. Say thank you.
But this is the end.
You have written the end.
But what's this?
Dogs.
Dogs. The end. Thank you.
Very good, Aar. Yes, Ekta Khandelwal.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Aar,
1
be
minute.
on mute.
Yes, ma'am. The dogs. Once there lived 3 dogs. There lived 2 yellow dogs and 1 pink dog. The pink dog had 2 balls, and she wouldn't share with the yellow dogs. Once the yellow dogs came to her and asked, "Do you want to play with us?" She told, "No, I'll not play with you." And then the dogs thought that we'll not play with her. And then and then after some time she came and asked, "Why aren't you playing with me?" The dogs told, "You never share." Then the pink dog started to share. Author Augustia. Author is Augustia, and ma'am, moral of the story is that share with everyone.
Very good, very good. Niana Talreja. Dun Talreja.
Yes, Dun Talreja, grade 2. This is a story of 2 dogs and 1 pink dog. Once upon a time, there was 3 dogs. One dog is of pink color, and 2 dogs are of yellow color. Pink dog playing with ball, and the other dogs are looking at him. And this doesn't has a moral of a story.
Okay, okay, no problem. Ashish Jain. Niana, please be on mute. Ashish Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ashish Jain, please start. Ashish Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please start.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry, but I can't return the story full.
Why? ओके जितना लिखा है उतना तो बोल सकते हैं ना अपन.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
It is a story of one ant and one bird. Once upon a time, there was an ant near the bank of a river. And the ant stopped to drink the water. But a strong rush of water come to the ant of and its carrier ant also. There was one dog on a tree. Uh, the bird plucks a leaf for the ant. That ant floats safely to the bank of a river and then say thanks to the dog. A bird catcher under the tree lays twigs, makes a trap to catch. Dog stings his foot, catcher, bird catcher cries in pain. I have written this much only.
Okay, try to complete the story. Okay, try to complete the story. If you all want, I can share the outline in the group. Okay, after this session. Okay.
Ma'am, I can say.
ये वेट बच्चा वेट, जैसे मुझे मेरे लिस्ट में हैंड रेज दिख रहे हैं ना बच्चा, मैं वैसे ही पूछ रही हूँ. ओके.
I can say.
रितु वर्मा. रितु वर्मा.
Dear teacher, my pink dog. I have a pink dog. She has two yellow balls. One day she went out to play with her balls and she saw two yellow dogs. They had a lot of fun together. Her sharing is so much fun. Did I read it perfectly now? Are you proud of me now?
Yes, very good, very good. No problem. Ridan Rathi, I will ask you in some time. Ridan Rathi, I will ask you in some time. Wait. Vidhi Agarwal. Vidhi Agarwal.
My name is Vidya Garwal from Goldcrest High. Today I will say one story about shellfish dog. One day there was a pink dog named Tim. He was having two yellow balls. He was very happy to play with the balls. There were two yellow dogs named Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry want to play with the pink dog, but Tim refused to play with them. This shows that is shellfish. Moral of the story is if we will share things, they will. If we will be, the moral of the story is we should share things, and if we will be nice to others, they will also be nice to us. Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good, Vidhi. Very good. Yes. Bhavya Parla.
Ma'am, Ridan Rathi can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Yes, ma'am. Hello,
एक
everyone.
मिनट
I'm
एक मिनट
Bhavya
भव्या,
Parla,
एक
and today
मिनट
I'm
एक मिनट. भव्या भव्या 1 minute 1 minute. यस, कौन बोला बीच में?
Ma'am, Ridan Rathi.
Yes, Ridan Rathi, I will ask you after Bhavya Barla. And Bhavya, I request you to switch on your camera.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, are you able to see me? Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, today I'm going to tell a story about two animals. The name is The Humanity and Friendship Among Two Animals. Once upon a time, there was an ant, very and thirsty, but she couldn't find anything to drink. She lost her all hope. She was walking alone along the bank of river, so thirsty she can't bear to walk. She stops to quench her thirst. She saw a rush of water, thought to drink some water from there, but suddenly that strong wave carries her away. She was drowning badly, shouting, "Please help me." Then a bird on a tree was watching this all. She thought that let me help this poor ant. She plucks a leaf, then floats safely to the bank, and then ant climbs up. And finally the ant was safe. The ant thanks the bird, and then they become friends. Another day, a bird catcher under the tree was hiding to shoot the dove. When Anne saw that, she can't stop. She have to save her friend as she saved her. So what she did that she bites the bird catcher, and then the bird catcher cries badly in pain. So he ran away and the bird was safe. And then the bird says Anne that really thank you, my friend. You saved my life. She says that, what is the meaning of friend if I couldn't help you? We are friends and we will always help each other. So then the bird smiles and flew away. So basically, in the story, we see that the bird saves humanity for her people, and the ant saves that bird to save her friend in friendship. So the moral of the story is the friendship and humanity should be always there in a person.
Very good. Very, very good,
Thank
Bhavya.
you.
Nicely explained. Very good. Yes, Ridan Rathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Today,
My name is.
my name is Siddhanta. Today I am going to share three
Mosquitoes.
mosquitoes. Long ago, three dogs were going to the park. The little pink dog was
Saw the
saw the ball in the park. Then it called the other two friends of it for playing together. The pink dog was very playful and he was throwing the ball very far, and the other dogs were chasing the ball. Then the three dogs were very happy playing, passing the ball in the park. They were rolling in the grass and were joyful. The moral of the story is to, to, together we have more fun and we are fearless. Thank you.
Very good. Very, 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 very good, Ridan. कि मयांक चांडक स्टोरी कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, कोई बात नहीं, जितना भी लिखा है आप उतना बोल सकते हो. ओके, वेट, हाँ वेट. Everybody on mute. Everybody on mute. Diana Palan. Diana Palan,
Yes, ma'am.
please say your story.
The Good Friends. Once upon a time, there was two dogs. The dogs met to one more dog. Her name was Pinky. They play with her. She has two balls. She shared her balls. After playing, they become good friends and they played happily So this means Pinky was not selfish and moral is sharing is caring.
Very good, Diana. Very good.
I can tell now.
ऋषभ मलानी के नाम से जो है कि आप अभी निधि सारावागी है मेरे स्क्रीन पे, उसके बाद आपका नंबर है. ओके, ये वेरी गुड डियाना. निधि
Miss,
सारावागी.
yes, miss.
Yes.
Once upon a time, there were three dogs named Pinky, Clanky, and Bone. One day, they were having fun playing dog hide and seek. Suddenly, Pinky saw two new volleyballs. She grabbed them and threw them out of the window. Bone asked, "Why did you throw those volleyballs? We were going to play with them. Now you will bring them back." Moral is, do never be greedy.
Very good, very good, very good. Rishabh Malani,
Yes, ma'am. The the puppy lost her mom and dad. Once upon a time, there was a puppy. He was searching her mom and dad. He saw two ducks. He asked the duck, "You are my mom and dad?" Then he saw two dogs. Then he was going. He asked, "You are my mom and dad?" He he said yes. Then he was very happy. Moral of the story is, you always stay with your parents.
very good, very good. बच्चा आपका नाम क्या है?
मैम परिणीति मालानी.
Yes, Pariniti. Very good, very good. Yes, Prisha. Prisha Khemani.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Presha
Yes, please
Khimani.
say.
I'm in first grade. The story name is Three Friends. Once upon a time, the pink dog has two balls. It has spots on his body. He is playing with balls. There are two yellow dogs also. The yellow twins are pink dogs and friends. They all are in a park. They all are enjoying. Yellow dogs are taking care of pink dog. Moral of the story is friendship is the best relation in the world. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yes, Rashmi Biani.
Risha बोलो. There were two big dogs.
There were two big dogs.
They were both best friends.
They were both best friends.
Together they went to look out for food.
Yes.
Together
They
went to look out for food.
look out to food.
For food.
For food.
After searching for a long time,
After searching for a long time,
they found
just
one piece of cake.
huh?
Just one piece of cake.
Just one piece of cake.
As they both were tired,
Yeah.
as they both were
As they both were
tired and hungry,
tired and hungry,
each one wanted to eat
each one
wanted to eat
wanted to eat
the whole cake.
a whole cake.
Suddenly,
Suddenly,
they started fighting
started fighting
and left the cake
and left the cake
aside.
aside.
While the two were fighting,
While the two were fighting,
a small dog came.
a small dog came.
Small dog
came
and picked up the piece of cake
and picked the
piece of cake
piece of cake
and
and
ran away.
ran on away.
And the two big dogs
And the two big dogs
were left sad and hungry.
sad and hungry.
Moral of the story is,
Moral of the stories:
too much greed
greed
is bad.
is bad and sharing is caring.
Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Very good, very good. Very nicely written, very nicely written. Rishabh Malani, kindly be on mute. Rishabh Malani, kindly be on mute.
Ma'am, I make this puppet.
Now we are doing, I am taking chance of other बच्चा लोग ना बच्चा, please be on mute. आर्यमान को बोलना है बच्चा.
Yes, yes, teacher.
Yes.
There were
There were
two good dogs.
two big dogs.
They
We were
best friends.
best friends.
Together, अच्छे से बोलो इधर. मम्मी बनाती. Together they went to look out for.
They were looked out.
Together they went to look out for food.
Together
They went to
they went to
look out for food.
look out the fruit. Food.
After searching for a long time,
After searching for a long time,
they just found one piece of cake. They found
they found
one piece of cake.
one piece of cake.
They both were
They both were
tired and hungry
rather hungry
and wanted to eat the whole cake. And
and
wanted to eat
wanted to eat
whole cake.
whole cake.
Suddenly they started fighting.
Suddenly
They started fighting. Started fighting
started writing.
and left the cake aside.
Left the
Cake aside,
cake aside
and the small dog
and the small dog
came
Came.
and picked up the cake
he picked up the
and
cake
went away.
and went to blood.
And the two big dogs
And two big dogs
were left
were left
sad and hungry.
sad and hungry.
Moral bolo.
Mother
Moral of the story is
moral का stories
sharing is
sharing is caring. Thank you.
Very good, Aryaman. Very good. Good attempt. Very good. Very good. Bhagyashree Behani. Bhagyashree Behani. Bhagyashree Behani.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Digant Rati. Their dogs found bone on the road. One of the dogs picked the bone and ran near pond. He saw his reflection and thought one day dogs hold bone and he jumped in the water and lost his own bone. Moral is one should not be too greedy. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome, बच्चा. Just replace that bone with ball. Okay? क्योंकि मैंने पिक्चर में बॉल दिखाया था ना, डॉग के पास बॉल था, राइट? वेरी गुड. आद्या शुक्ला.
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, there was an ant, very thirsty. He stopped to quench his thirst, but the strong rush of the water carried him away. The ant asked the river, "Why are you in a hurry?" The river answered, "I need to report to the sea, and it is because he is our boss. He needs every single information." The ant said, "But I need to get back to my home." The river said, "Sorry, I cannot deliver you back to your home." The ant became very sad until a dove saw him. He plucked a leaf and let it fall in the river. Ant climbed the leaf and was safely delivered to his home. One day, some bird catchers saw the dove. They laid down some twigs for their trap. The dove stepped on the twigs and was trapped. Now, the ant saw the dove trapped and came to his rescue. But suddenly, the bird catchers came. The ant didn't give up. He bit the bird catcher's foot, and the bird catchers cried in pain. Till then, the ant started biting the net. Now the dove was free. He thanked the ant and flew away, and they both lived happily ever after. Moral of the story: if you do something good for someone, the good thing will come back to you.
Thank you.
Great, very good, very good, very, very nicely narrated. Sushant Chandak,
Yes, my
please
name is
say.
My name is Laksh Chandak. My story name is Clever Cat. One day, a cat walking down the road when suddenly two big dogs came out now ever. The cat was scared to death and started to run to save his life. Dogs leaped and caught hold of the cat. The cat said would regularly give the dog all that it would catch and would only dogs left over. Dogs liked deal and left the cat. The cat fooled the two dogs and ran away. Moral of the story: be smart when you make a deal.
Very good. Anything else?
No.
Very good, very good. Keep it up. Ira Kabra?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Ira, you are audible.
Hello everyone, I am Ira Kabra from class 6.
Ira, I want to see your face, not your written matter. The written matter, you can do one thing. You can post on the group, holding it like this with your face, okay, to be seen. Yes, Ira, please say.
Hello everyone, I am Ira Kabra from class 6. Today I am going to say the story of best friend. Once an ant was weary and thirsty. She was walking along the bank of a river. She stopped to quench her thirst. There was a great rush of water. As she went down the water, she was carried away. She was droning over there. There was a dove on a tree sitting nearby. She plucked the leaf and threw into the water, and climbed the leaf and floated safely towards the bank. She thanked Dove. They became nice friends. Then a bird catcher came under a tree and made a trap to catch the dove, and saw him and went towards his feet and bite him. Birdcatcher cried in pain. Noise drew bird attention. As he saw Catcher, he flew away, and after that, the ant and the dog became best friends. Moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.
Very good, very nicely narrated. Abhyan Ankul Tripathi? Abhyan Ankul
Yes,
Tripathi?
ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Once upon a time, there was a ant.
Abhyan, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera.
I have switched on my camera.
Now I can see you. Yes, great. Continue.
Once upon a time, there was an ant. It was very thirsty, and then it saw a bank of a river, and it stopped to fulfill its thirst. Then a strong wave of water came and takes it away, and was drawing. Then a dove saw him and plucked a leaf and throw it in water, and he saved the ant. Then they became friends. One day, a bird catcher came to jungle, and he while he was making the trap for dove, the ants stings him and he cries in pain. And then dog heard the bird catcher and he flew. Moral of the story: if you will help anyone, then he will help you. Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good. Very good. Yes, Mayank Chandak.
Yes, ma'am.
Please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is on, but some issue is there, I think so. That is why. I think so now
Now
it
I
is
can
on.
see you. Now I
Yes.
can see you. Good. Start.
Once upon a time, my name is Mayank Chandak and I am in grade 6. Once upon a time, there was an ant which was very there was an ant was very ant thirsty. She was walking along the bank of a river. Then the ant quenched her thirst because of a strong wave of water. She was taken away by the wave. Then the ant was drowning. Then a dove which was sitting on a tree saw the dove and then plucks a leaf and let it fall into the water. And the ant climbs on the leaf and saves her life and reach to the bank safely and say thanks to the dove. One day a bird catcher comes under the tree and lays lime twigs and makes a trap to catch the dove. The ant stings his foot to save the dove. The bird catcher cries in pain and throws the twigs because of the noise. No, I wrote till here only. The moral of the story: a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Bhaskar Shukla. Your name? Bhaskar Shukla.
Yes.
Kindly switch on your camera. Yes, your name, bacha?
My name is Sanvi Sukla. My story name is The Ant and the Dove. There was an ant. She was very thirsty, wandering of water. Then she saw a river. Stopped to quench its thirst, and she floats on water safely on a leaf plucked by dove. And there was a bird but catching under the tree and bite on his foot. He cries badly. It draws dove attraction and dove fly. The moral is always to help for those who needs. Thank you.
Very good, very good. All of you clap for yourselves. All of you clap for yourselves. Very nice story you have written. All of you. See, why I made you write this story, I want your creativity. Just by seeing a picture or for big kids seeing an outline, you should be able to make the story. Okay? Hence, I took this lecture in between of the this summer camp. Okay? Yes, Rishabh Malani, kindly be on mute.
Ma'am, I made these two puppets.
Great, very good, very good, very nice. Yes. So, because of this session, I want you all, because of these, interactive sessions which I have kept, I want your vocabulary to be good. You, the thing which you are presenting, whatever you have written or whatever you are speaking, should be clearly understood by each and every one of us hearing over here. Okay? You all have done a great job. Clap for yourselves. Very good, kids. Very good. With this, we end our session for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is our vegetable printing, right? So I have written the vegetables which we need. Okay? Bye, all of you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.